Question word what? There are 7 question words in English. And what is one of them? The question word what is used to ask information about specific thing, people, animal, time and object. What is used to ask about specific object? What is this? This is a tea set. What is this? This is a statue. What is that? That is a building. What is that? That is a rainbow. What are these? These are books. What are these? These are blocks. What are those? Those are balloons. What are those? Those are mangoes. What is used to ask about specific people? What are you doing? I am studying. What is he playing? He is playing piano. What is Raj doing? Raj is sleeping. What is she hiding? She is hiding a cake. What is Hema doing? Hema is reading. What is your name? My name is Payal. What is your father's name? My father's name is Piyush. What is your mother's name? My mother's name is Radha. What is your favorite dish? My favorite dish is Rajma Chawal. What are your hobbies? My hobbies are to play badminton and reading books. What is used to ask about specific thing? What is in your bag? Oranges. What is the color of lotus flower? The color of the lotus flower is pink. What is used to ask about specific animal? What is your dog doing? My dog is wagging its tail. What is the dog eating? The dog is eating chicken. What is used to ask about time? What time is it? It is 8 o'clock.